Hi, I'm Dr. Madhu. I'm the academic coordinator in the Vector Academy. So here, this area is actually located on the outskirts of the Gurgaon city. So to fulfill their requirements, we just collaborated with Infinity Learn School Integrated Program. We started such type of special classes for our students, and now our students are getting much more advantage of it. As Infinity Learn is providing two-way interaction live sessions to our students by the specialized type of teachers, or we can say coach. So before this, our students were not so much aware about the competitive exams of NEET and JEE, but as the Infinity Learn is providing much more mock test and many good type of live classes, now our students are much more aware and now they are ready to face the competitive world to make their future better. This program provides a clear class schedule, app as well as books, which is helping our students to prepare for such type of competitive exams without hesitation.